Oh, brother is hard, huh?
Look at that. Ooh.
E kolu mea nui makahonua O kamana o I o kamana o lana A me ke aloha kai o ia e O mai ka ina mea Ina mea pau E nā makua nā keiki Nā mamoa I ura e epelai ma
Flatty, just hold it down.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, the color's gonna be so beautiful. Oh, wow.
Scrape the bark off?
Yeah, so for the root, there's the
Root. Yeah. The bark of the root.
bark of the root.
Not that you're
Real specific,
Okay.
yeah. Because there, you do have bark of the tree in one of those buckets.
Sure.
But for the bark of the tree, it's like way thicker. So this one, right? If you guys wanted to feel like
Oh, look,
pass them
your
around.
color looks
It's-
so
Yeah,
great.
it's
It's
coming
just
out
like
nice now.
very
Yeah.
fibrous
Nice.
and just small time. And it's really easy to come up with a shop. With the bark, it's smooth. So you have to like beat it with your